This video will quickly walk you through the process by which to deploy an Azure Data Factory. So here I've logged into my Azure account, and I can go ahead and hit Create a Resource. Let's search for Data Factory. Now let's scroll down. Go ahead and click on it, and we'll go ahead and hit Create. First, you go ahead and select the subscription that you'd like it to be billed to. Secondly, select the resource group. For this demo, I'll use the Big Adventure Works. Pick your region, give it a name, stick with v2, move to the Git configuration. For now, we will configure the Git later. Hit Review and Create. Once validation is passed, you can go ahead and create it. And once that's done, you can go straight to the resource. I'll go ahead and show you here that if I look at my resource groups and click on the Big Adventure Works, hit refresh, I now have that new data factory available within that resource group. This video ties to several others that describe the process by which to deploy content from my PowerPop Health GitHub repository to Azure and Power BI. The links to both the GitHub repository and additional videos related to this content are available in the description.